Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to remove promoted links in new tab in Microsoft Edge browser. When you open Edge browser and you open a new tab on your Edge browser, you see a few links as a advertisement on the top just below this one search box. You can hide these all promoted links one by one or all together. To remove any particular link, just click on three dots beside icon and here you will see remove option. Just click on this one remove option. That particular link will be removed, and in case you want to remove all these links, click on this one settings gear icon that says page settings. In the drop down menu, just turn off this one toggle switch that says show promoted links. This will remove all the promoted links altogether from your Edge browser in a new tab. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.